For 20 years, Pendotech has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible in single-use sensors and bioprocess monitoring. And when customers tell us our sensors are the most reliable they've ever used, it's a powerful reminder of how much our work truly makes a difference. In bioprocessing, every decision depends on accurate data: pressure, pH, temperature, and conductivity. And our work is driven by a clear purpose: to empower the biopharma industry with the confidence to make those decisions in real time. With sustainability in mind, our single-use sensors take the stress out of cleaning, reduce cross-contamination risk, and help our customers work faster and more efficiently. Our legacy isn't just technology, it's partnership. We stand alongside our customers at every stage: R&D, scale-up and production, offering hands-on support, service, and guidance shaped by 20 years of experience. As bioprocessing becomes more digital and automated, Pendotech continues to lead the way with real-time data, advanced single-use technologies, and smarter process monitoring that accelerates throughput and time to market. In 2021, Pendotech joined the Mettler-Toledo family, expanding capabilities and strengthening our innovation pipeline. Thank you to our customers and employees for making this journey possible. Together, we're empowering the future of bioprocessing.